Yo, real quick, I want to talk about something that's on my mind, right? Spirituality and wealth. Now, basically, I'm going to be saying some very important things, right? So I need you to pay close attention. So, what is spirituality, right? What is wealth? You see, we live in a society, right? That even if you have no desire to become rich, even if you have no desire to become wealthy, right, you still have to, have a source of income, right? You know, you need to pay the bills, right? You need to do this, you need to do that. Necessities, expenses, right? So, given the society we live in, it's only natural, right, for anybody to be materialistic. It's only natural for anybody to, want wealth, right? Now, what is spirituality, right? Firstly, let me say this. When the word spirituality comes to your mind, we live in a society whereby the word spirituality has so been demonized. You see, a society whereby they give you religion, they give you what they want to give you, right? It's actually crazy that the same people who will tell you, spirituality is evil, right? It might be your leaders, it might be your pastors, right? These same people who are going to tell you that this stuff is evil, they use the same things. It's just life, man. So I'm going to tell you that it's actually up to you to just be researchful, right? Research, because a lot of things in life you need to know is never given to you. Now it's up to you as a person. So go do your research, man. Like, what does this mean? How can I use this to better my life? Given the society we live in, it's only natural you want to possess wealth, right? But one thing I'm going to say is knowledge is key. In anything you want to do in life, it's very, very important you get knowledge. Firstly, knowledge of self, because everything in life, right, is not what it seems. Some things you think might be evil, honestly, right, might just be like good for you. The only thing evil in this world is your intentions. You see, just like the Bible, right, just like religion, you can use it to do both good or bad. That's life. Real shit. So with that being said, I think it's time to open your mind, open your awareness, understanding, start to get knowledge of self, because we live in a society whereby the people who have the access to the secret, right, they are obviously not going to give the secret to you, man, because they want to be in control. They want to be in power, basically. So how are they going to give the secret to you, man? So with that being said, it's time to wake up, take conscious control of your reality. And how do you do that? By taking conscious control of your thoughts, your emotions. You deserve the best in life. You deserve every good thing life has to offer. But do you believe it? Do you?